What the flip? A crispy 5. Wow. I'm gonna show you guys what you could do with one of these. You ever find one of these in the streets? You do a lot with this. I'm gonna show you guys how. Okay. We're gonna be flipping this $5 account. I'm gonna be flipping it fast, hard, just the way your girl likes it. I was trading on my phone. I ended up selling Euro USD. I closed it right away. So we're taking an 8-cent loss right off the jump. But for our very first trade, we have finally hit our 1 to 3, and I'm gonna close this trade right here in front of you guys. Starting with $5, apparently the commission cost is about 30 cents, and I'm gonna close this position. And we've officially turned $5 into $9.10 with our very first trade. All right, so we're going to take another position. Here's our second trade of the day. We're taking a buy position on gold. We're breaking out of resistance, as you can see, but we are also trending to the upside in a bullish market. I'm gonna go ahead and take my buy position here. Hopefully it lets me trade gold. I really don't want to miss out on this trade because we're already pushing. Oh my God. We're not gonna be trading gold because we don't have enough margin to trade gold, meaning I have to now go find a Forex pair to trade to even make this flip work. We are officially pushing out on GBP USD. Oh, it's moving fast. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take a buy here on GBP USD. Yes, order has been filled. I would love to be able to take 0.02 down. Oh my God, it worked. We are currently at a 0.02 on GU. This is a big boy trade now. This is gonna be a rough challenge and it's gonna take a lot of time, but we're gonna just suck it up and do it. Okay, so I want to recap the account so far. We've only taken about 3 trades. As you can see, GJ, GU, and then GJ again. Overall, we have turned the account from $5 to $15.50. You can see the $5 deposit. So we have a $5 deposit. We have financing and commission charges all throughout. That's just what happens when you use a broker. Looks very smooth. Okay, so we are up about $5. It has melted, as I said. $5. Melted even more. Another $4.78 added to the account. As you can see, we have now flipped it from $5 to $20 on a beautiful, beautiful impulse move retracement. Okay, so I've spent the last 16 hours or so literally sitting here looking at the charts, super low time frame scalping, NASDAQ, finishing up on GJ, US 30. We are officially at $122 with 69 cents. 69 cents is perfect. I don't know how I did that. I did that. So here's what it kind of looked like over the past 16 hours or so. We had an $8 win, closer to $9, $12 win. We then had a $10 win. We had a $20 win, which was our big win last night. And then we followed it up by a multi-magnitude of trades that ended up being $51 worth of profit. Current time is 10:43 a.m. We've taken a few trades since then. And just to recap the trades that we've pretty much taken since we last spoke this morning. So we had a $39 win, followed by our biggest win of the challenge at $77 while selling NASDAQ in a beautiful scalp, a beautiful break to the downside. So I think I'm gonna take a buy here on gold. We're going to do a 0.10 if it allows it. I'm gonna take this buy and we'll see what happens. Okay, we are currently at $236 with 74 cents on the account. All right, well, it's reversing and I'm gonna close it about $12.50. First loss of the fucking challenge, man. $12 is not a bad loss. Puts us back at 224. I was trying to get to 250 before we started to go into that very slow period of the day. Okay, so it's officially nighttime. I only ended up taking 2 more trades. As you can see, we firstly took a US 30 sell, cleared $82. Finally saw another good setup, which was a pre-breakout that I took at about 5 o'clock. Just closed recently. And that was a $35 sell on US 30. So the overall account is officially at $341 with 17 cents. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put a sell order in here for a 0.20. We will see what happens. As you guys can see, currently up $66 on this move. All right, we're gonna close this. I'm officially going to close this trade at $95. That's the biggest trade we've had. We have turned $5 into $434. Perfect timing, perfect timing. Okay, yes, please. No, oh, it worked. So we are currently selling US 30, 0.15. All right, I'm gonna be closing this trade right here at about $191 for that trade. That's where we're at. We've turned $5 into $626 so far. It's moving pretty smooth, so See what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a US 30 position right here once again. Current balance is 626.47. We're gonna shoot a little Halloween shoot, and then we're gonna hit the strip, do some things today. But I wanna hop in this trade, let this run.
So I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade right here. We're at $129 in profit. Just go to our positions, we'll go ahead and close. $130 is what it ends up closing at, putting our total balance at $758. We have one loss in this account.
There it is. Now, if it allows me to take a couple here, we've officially bought DAX. German 40, one more push, there it is. So we're gonna close this out. We're gonna take our $50 right here, put us at 800 bucks. All right, we're gonna take this trade right here. And there we go. We're currently up $75 on this buy. So if we can just get this thing to keep pushing, we can call it a day. I am gonna go ahead and close this trade at about $132. Man, we are working our way up, man. We're working our way up. Started at the fucking bottom, man. Freaking entry and close. One more. There it is. We're officially in this buy once more. Come on, bro. Okay, we are finally getting ready to close. I still think it could push further, but I'm gonna close here at 75. I still think it's gonna push further. I just wanna get to 1,000 and call it a night. It's like 2 a.m. I'm extremely tired. We did it. We turned $5 into $1,000 in 4 days. 4 fucking days. Deposit amount of $5 dollars. And we're now at 1,001.91. I am